Okay, we're live. Okay. Using the infamous quadratic formula. So this is the general look that we start off with our quadratics. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And then we're going to solve these by first finding out what a is, what b is, and what c is. Once we know what a, b, and c are, then we put them in this arrangement to find x. We take the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a, then times c, all divided by 2a. And when we're finished, this will give us two values for x. Where b squared will go, this is where a will go, c, and this is a right here. So we're going to put the numbers actually into those. The opposite, b is going to be positive 8, and the opposite is going to be negative 8. Here we'll put 8 again, so 8, 8. And then here we'll put 3. Here we'll put 5. And down here we'll put 3. Now let's start simplifying. And first I'll start off with all the multiplications. Here, negative times positive gives us negative 8. The next simplification will be here. 8 times 8 is 64. The next simplification will be here. Multiplication will be 12 times 5, which is 60. It'll end up being negative 60 since we have one negative here. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, that's all the multiplication. The next simplification will be the adding. We'll get negative 8 plus or minus this 64. Take away 60 will be 4 over 6. Okay, the 4 will simplify down to a 2. So we'll have negative 8 plus or minus 2 all over 6. Now, once we get to this step right here, where everything's simplified in the numerator, we'll split it into two pieces. One piece will be x equals negative 8 plus 2 over 6. The other piece will be x equals negative 8 minus 2 over 6. So continue with this, negative 6 over 6. And negative 6 over 6 gives us negative 1. That's the solution. Here, you have negative 8 and negative 2, which makes negative 10 over 6. You'll divide both of these by 2. And this will end up giving me x equals negative 5 over 3. That's the solution. Or 2 solutions. Okay. Next, number 2. A constant. Let's put our parentheses in. The opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4a and then c all over 2 and a. Okay, let's put our values in here. First, b goes here and here. So negative 5 goes here and here. Then a goes here and here. The numbers for a. And then here, c. All right, our first simplification. Here we have negative, negative, which is positive. Next, we have negative 5 times negative 5, which is positive 25. Here we have 4 times 2 times 0, and that's 0. And 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. So those are all our multiplications. Now let's simplify. We know 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 over 4. Okay. This simplifies down to 5 plus or minus 5 all over 4. Now that everything is simplified, we can go ahead and split it into two pieces. X equals 5 plus 5 over 4. And we also have x equals 5 minus 5 over 4. 5 plus 5 is 10 over 4. And we can divide both of these by 2. minus 2, 0. So these are our two solutions here. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we're going to identify our A, our B, and our C. The A will be the 16. The B, which belongs on X, which is not present, is 0. And C is constant, negative 25. We have our A, B, and C. Now let's put our values in opposite of B, plus or minus. The square root of B squared minus 4A and C all over 2 and A. Okay, so B will go here and here, so 0 and 0. A will go here and here, 16 and 16. And then C will go here, negative 25. In the process of simplifying, the opposite of 0 is still 0. 0 squared is 0. Here we have a negative times a negative, which is positive. And 4 times 25 is 100, and 100 times 16 is 1600. 2 times 16 is 32. Okay. So all the multiplications are done. So 0 added to anything is just a thing. And 0 added to 1600 is still 1600. So this gives us the plus or minus square root of 1600 all over 32. Now the square root of 1600 will be 40, I believe. And this will split up into two pieces. X equals positive 40 over 32. And X over here will equal negative 40 over 32. Okay, start simplifying this. I believe I can divide these by 8. Okay, so this will be 5 over 4. Very good. This can also be divided by 8. This will give me negative 5 over 4. And those are our two solutions. Here we have x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals 0. Identifying the A, B, and C. The coefficient of x is 1. Oftentimes students write down x here as a coefficient. X is a variable. The coefficient is understood 1. B is negative 6, and C is negative 7. Now let's put the pieces in. Opposite of B here, plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4 and A and C all over 2 and A. Okay, so let's start putting the pieces in. Our B will go here and here, so this is negative 6 and negative 6. The A will go here and here, so 1 and 1. And then C will go here, negative 7. All right, let's simplify this. Double negatives here will give us positive 6. Negative 6 squared is negative 6 times negative 6, which is positive 36. Negative times negative is positive. And 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. And 2 times 1 is 2. So that's all our multiplications. Now, let's start with adding and subtracting percent sign. 36 plus 28 is going to be 64, I believe, over 2. And then the square root of 64 is going to be 8. Now it splits into 2 pieces. We have x equals 6 plus 8 all over 2. And we also have x equals 6 minus 8 all over 2. Okay. 6 plus 8, that's 14 over 2. And 14 over 2 simplifies to a 7. Over here, 6 minus 8 is a negative 2. And negative 2 divided by positive 2 gives us negative 1. And those are our solutions.